Hello everyone, broadcasting from Apopka, Florida. This is the Amelia floor plan. Some of these homes here in this community is starting off at around $334,000. These homes will be ready in maybe about 12 months or so. Once you're in contract, they will actually lock you into the price, so you don't have to be worrying about price escalation according to material that goes up. Walking you through, beautiful tile on the floor, beautiful open floor plan, gas community, nice overview. They're about 60% built out in this community. So they still have quite a few built, as you can see. Gas community, nice pantry, oven, microwave, stainless steel appliances. As you can see, nice tall cabinets. Your farm sink overlook your window, as you can see. Outside, family space, nice lanai with your outdoor kitchen. You can sit out and enjoy your backyard. So now we will enter into the master suite area. As you can see, beautiful. There's a door on your bathroom to go in your suite. Nice tub. And look how beautiful that shower is. Has two heads plus your rain shower up above. Two windows to let the sunshine, Florida sunshine in. Two heads, and then look. So you can enter from either way. And hi everyone. Two sinks, his and hers. And nice walk-in closet, lots of room, as you can see. So contact me for some more information on this home, the Amelia. And we're located in Apopka, Florida. Starting out in the $335,000. Don't know how long it's gonna stay there. So if you're looking to move to Florida and you're looking for a beautiful home, contact me at 321-231-8487. I look forward to answering any questions that you may have. Take care and see you next time. Check out my videos.